Hello guys, in today's video we will learn that if there are some numbers in your list with any text or units written with them, how can we calculate their total sum? As you can see, normally if I try to add these numbers, the answer will be the 0. So then how can we add these numbers? Let's do it. First select all cells. Right click on clear contents, then click format cell. Click custom within the numbers tab, select 0 and write the units in inverted commas and click OK. Now write numbers here. Here you will be seeing that as you are writing the numbers, their units are being automatically written along with them, and their total sum is also being calculated here. Similarly, you can add these numbers as well. Thanks for watching us.